Sakshi, it's going to be a day belonging to the Tata Group. I'll tell you why. You've marked Tata Power. Now look at Voltas, 934 for you. A very good view on this one was given yesterday. And again, the first 4 or 5 minutes of trade means that Voltas has broken out. Nilesh, very quickly, what is Voltas chart telling you? Ladies and gentlemen, fresh uh, 2 year high on Voltas for you. Nilesh, very quickly, Voltas.
So it's a multi-year breakout candidate, and the upside target comes around 960 on immediate basis, followed by 1000 on positional point of view. Stop loss should be placed somewhere around 915. So if at all we see any decline, that would be a good opportunity. If somebody is already holding the long position, continue to stay put, keeping upside target of 960,000.
Okay, Gaurang, your very quick view on Tata Power.
Our patience with this particular stock has paid off, share. If you recollect, once it crossed over 180,
Yes.
there was no stop.
Yes.
This particular stock went up to, I think, 280, 285. Then it started correcting, or maybe it crossed over 300 as well. And then it corrected, stayed at about 240, 230 for a pretty long period of time. And then once it took off those 280 levels, crossed over 300, the result is where it is today. Wouldn't be surprised to see it going towards 385, and possibly with the kind of, and I was listening to the commentary of the management with respect of the business outlook. And my sense is, Shell, that your fossil fuel power generation capacities are slowly going to be history, and renewable energy, both solar as well as wind, along with hydel power, and the most important turnaround in the power generation sector is going to be green hydrogen. I think, and of course, this company is into charging stations as well. Solar panel business is doing extremely, extremely well, Shell, as far as North India is concerned, especially states of Rajasthan, Gujarat, and UP, Bihar, including Punjab. They are doing phenomenally well in terms of solar business. So we would possibly look at targets, immediately midterm targets of about 385 to 400, and possibly on the earnings visibility and better than earning visibility, these targets would definitely get revised upwards.
Okay, Sakshi, another one from the Tata Group moving, which is Tata Chem. Let's get Nilesh's view in. 1049 for you, and the good thing is it's just starting. Somewhere near 200 DMA. Your very quick take, Nilesh, on Tata Chemicals.
Right, sir. So today it has given a fresh breakout. So we did mention about the chemical space. RP is looking positive, and also Tata Chemical on the back of a fresh breakout. I think it is heading towards 1060 on intraday basis. And from a short-term point of view, the target comes around 1100. Stop loss should be placed somewhere near about today's low, that is 1033. So that should be the stop loss, and the upside target would be somewhere around 1060 to 1100.
Right. Just like how Shell was saying that it is turning out to be a Tata day, TCS as the top mover on the Nifty index. Then you also have Tata Power, Voltas that we've discussed, Tata Chemicals moving up, and now Tata Consumer Products is also at a new high as well. Nilesh, would you look at Tata Consumer, and at 980.1, 1.5% higher, would you still buy this stock?
Absolutely, Sakshi. So yesterday we saw an outperformance in the FMCG space, and this was one of the counter that has outperformed yesterday. So looking at the overall structure, it is still looking strong for the upside target of 1020 to 1040. Stop loss should be placed below 965. Still, it can be bought at current level. The structure is looking very strong, and today it has hit a fresh all-time high mark. So yes, can be bought at current level and can be added on declines as well.
Okay, ladies and gentlemen, let me mark a few stocks on the option side. Let's look at Tata Power. Now, this is running away. 345, fresh record high. Let me just see what is the most interesting options trade on Tata Power. So this is right in front of you at 345. Okay, let's look at the 345 call at 850 rupees for the moment. 8 rupees 50 paisa. Your very quick view on this one, Nilesh. How would you analyze the Tata Power 850 call? Remember, it was at 6 rupees in the morning. I just want to see what is the all time high on this one. The all time high is 12.71. Your very quick view on Nilesh, Tata Power 345 call.
So for December series, Tata Power, it looks like underline is heading towards 355 to 360 zone. So yes, 345 call, which is currently in the range of 8.5 to 9, can be bought, keeping stop loss below today's low, that is somewhere around 6 rupees, and that should be the stop loss. The immediate target that comes around 12.5, followed by 15 rupees. So yes, it can be bought as a momentum trade for the upside target of 12.5 to 15. Keep a stop loss below 6 rupees.